So yes guys, this is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect fluffy scrambled egg. Okay, this one is pretty easy and it's highly requested. So here I have 2 eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack them inside my bowl. And if you know me good enough, you know I will always be removing my chalaza. Why I remove this one is to eliminate the rawness. It can be a little bit hard to remove, yeah, so that's one remove. Okay guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and break my other egg. Same routine guys, remove the egg eye or chalaza. Some people call it the egg germ. Okay, and right there I have a pinch of salt and black pepper, but first I'm gonna beat my eggs. Remember what we're making, you know guys, yeah, we're making fluffy scrambled eggs, so therefore we need to beat the eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my pinch of salt, my pinch of black pepper. Okay guys, and right here I have a tablespoon of heavy cream. Yeah, heavy whipped cream. What you want to do is to pour that inside your egg while you beat it. Alright guys, the secret about this recipe guys, you don't want to overbeat your eggs, else it's gonna lose its volume. Okay guys, so this is good enough. Or if you have a balloon whisk, that will also be perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna put a frying pan on the stove. Alright guys, now that my frying pan is on the stove and medium low heat, what I want to do now guys is to add 2 tablespoons of margarine. 1, 2, and I will allow that to be melted. Alright guys, after following my recipe guys, you don't have to worry about your fluffy scrambled egg again. This one is the best in the world, highly requested. Chef André Davy scrambled egg. So I'm just gonna allow my butter to get hot, but not too much where the butter start to burn. Yeah, we don't want nothing burning around here. Cause this scrambled egg, you want to cook it slowly. Yeah, you don't want to rush the process. Alright then guys, so now I will be adding in my eggs. Yeah, and we're gonna take the process real slow guys. Now you can see my egg coagulating. That's the time we want to spend most of the attention, yeah? That's where you have to keep the eggs stirring, you know? Keep stirring the eggs. Because remember, we're making scrambled egg, guys. We're not making fried eggs. Yes, guys, remember we're making scrambled egg here, okay? And the thing, guys, you don't want your scrambled egg to be too dry, yeah? So this is perfect. Yes, man. This is perfect, guys. Yes, guys. Your fluffy scrambled egg is ready to be served. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so, okay guys, because I have a lot more recipes and a lot more tips for you. So What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna garnish with some spring onion, a green onion, whatever you wanna call it, or you can use some chives, yeah? Look how beautiful that is, guys. It's amazing.